Hey mini truckers, Ben here, Houston Mini Trucks. If you haven't already, just like or subscribe. We go through all things mini truck, like maintenance, service, parts, kind of some fun stuff. But if you're a Mitsubishi minicab, I was going to show you real quick the rear differential is right there. So you've got a drain on the bottom. Let me see right there. I'm spilling water. And then they're both 24 millimeter. Make sure you can get that fill bolt off before you do the drain. So do the fill bolt, then do the drain. It took about a liter, a little bit less. And then put the fill bolt in, or put the drain bolt back in, and then fill it up with some 80 W90 gear lube. There's a magnetic pickup on that drain plug, so just make sure you get all the fine particles off, and that'll keep your thing in tip-top shape. The gear lube's super cheap, and it's pretty easy to do if you've got that 24 millimeter socket. It's kind of a large size, but just go get one from anywhere. Alright, hopefully this helps. Just like or subscribe, comment. We're having fun. Try to grow that mini truck family. Have a good one. Mitsubishi minicab. This is a 24 millimeter. And this is the fill portion. So we'll take a look at our bolt, clean it. This has got a copper washer on it. You have to be mindful with these lift kits because it's overflowing that much. Maybe it's tilted back or something to that effect. Okay. Lost a little bit, but you can show the owner. Oh yeah, look at that. Get it out of there. So all that, let me see if it's even getting it. Yep, it's just goop, metal goop. You can see those are essentially real fine metal shavings. Just clean them with a rag. Paper towel or something. Okay, and then once you can kind of work with it on your own. 80-90 gear lube. What else? GL4 5. It's now GL5, so you'll only find that, but that's kind of what you want it to look like. Alright, we'll report back. Mitsubishi minicab.